How's it going, everybody that's watching this? Probably not many, but it is Thursday, about 6:20 p.m. and I'm just waiting for Colton to show up. Today we're going to PAX South in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm extremely excited, but we're probably gonna get there super late, like 4 a.m. maybe, and then check in at our hotel, take a power nap, wake up at 9 or 10, whatever, and then go to the convention. I'm super excited because this is the first gaming convention that I'm going to. I have no idea what to expect. I'm gonna bring my GoPro. I know everybody else there will be recording or live streaming or whatever. I'm not even really sure what I plan to do, but I'm bringing my GoPro anyway so that I can just either make a vlog out of this or record just some small videos or take photos or whatever. I don't know, but I'm excited, waiting for Colton now, and then we're gonna head out. I will see you guys later if that's what I plan to do. I don't know. Hey, brother, how's it going?
Your phone?
Huh? You called me?
5 times.
Oh, snap. How's your day? You got your comfy clothes on?
Yup.
Me too.
9 hour drive, dude.
You excited? I'm pretty excited. I'm stoked. I don't know what to expect, but you do.
Yeah.
All right, so let me put my clothes away in this suitcase that he brought me, and then we'll head out.
Yeah.
Is this smart? Oh, Colton, are you good?
I'm good.
Colton, careful.
I'm good.
Whew, you make me nervous.
I am good in the hood, brother.
All right, guys, so we're on our way. We made our first stop. I'm already so tired. It's been like, 3 miles. No, but we're kicking it off now. Yeah, there's probably not gonna be much to record on the drive. So I think I'm just gonna say goodbye here and watch some Netflix or something until we get there. Hopefully I'm still awake and alive at that point. I'm sure we'll have to get some coffee and some bang or some bang coffee, you know, like just mix it together. I don't know, that'd be wild.
I don't think my heart would have.
A couple espresso shots in my bang.
No, I'm good.
He's good. We'll see. All right, well, guys, we'll see you maybe the next time in Texas. All right, last time you heard from us, we were in the car driving. We made it to our hotel last night and ended up in a different hotel. Now, the reason for that is because the place we originally were at was extremely sketchy. Well, first we got there and he didn't have our room available, so he put us in the only room he did have available, which did not have a working toilet. The sheets were dirty and the water was cut off. Oh, and then outside of our door was a crying girl that was screaming and yelling for her boyfriend to show up. And she was there for, I don't know, maybe 2-3 hours while we were there. And then we decided that we needed to change hotels. We packed everything back up, went downstairs to the lobby to try and cancel and get a refund. The guy was not there. It was closed. It was locked up. And then 3 cars away from our car, a guy was breaking into someone else's car. He had a freaking crowbar to the window and then walked away, got a longer bar and busted it open, took the car as we were standing there. We ended up in the La Quinta Inn across the street from the convention center, and it's definitely way better. So we're excited. It is Friday now, and the first day of PAX South starts today in about, I don't know, a few minutes. So we're gonna head down now and walk over there. It's just across the street and see what it's all about. All right, sweet. Alright, we officially made it in, at least inside the expo center. Now we have to figure out where we need to go, and I think I just found it. So there's the exhibit hall. That's where we go to.
Yep, we're gonna go.
I don't know. How do we show, like, where do we show our badges?
This way's fine.
Here? Do they scan our badges here?
I believe so.
I believe so. There's some guys over here all dressed in military uniforms. I don't know what game they're cosplaying as, but check this out. So it's 5:30 and we've been at PAX for about 5 hours now, and we're definitely starting to feel it in our feet and in our mind. We're tired. We only got 3 hours of sleep last night because of the inconvenience we have with the hotels. We're kind of dragging along. Hopefully tomorrow we won't be as tired when we get some rest tonight, if we get some rest. We're gonna try and hit up some after parties, see if we can find any that are worth it, and then be here tomorrow. And hopefully not as tired. Probably hit up more of the shows tomorrow, because today we just spent the time checking out the different booths and stuff, seeing if we can find any free merch or beta codes, or just checking out the new games in general. We wanted to watch the Fortnite Round 2 tournament, but they had it on pause because there was a Fortnite update. And so there were 50 computers that were trying to download the update at the same time, and it just totally stalled the event. I don't know, maybe we'll go back to that or hit the final round or something, but now we're gonna try and check out a show, see if it's available, and if there is any seating. I don't know. We're going now.
It's my time! What? Pardon me. I am so very extremely sorry! Victory!
I will fight proudly. I'll save you. No matter what, I'll save you. So wait for me. Welcome home.
Second day of PAX, Saturday at PAX South. I don't know, I'm so tired.
It sounded like you were like vlogging your last 20 days on Earth.
First day of PAX, second day of PAX.
You said second day of PAX, Saturday, January 18th, 2000.
I'm doing a lot. Alright, PAX South, day 2, Saturday. It's, what time is it? I don't even know. 2:30, so we have like 3.5 hours left to PAX. We also met some people last night. We went out to Bonham Exchange. I don't know if that's how you say it right, but there was a Houston gaming group that was hosting an event there. And so it was this huge club, had plenty of drinks and stuff, and indie games that were set up that you can play. and we met several people there. Did a lot of dancing, exchanged some phone numbers to try and meet up today, but we haven't done that yet because it's very busy, and you know, everybody else is kind of doing their own thing, so we don't want to intrude, but we may continue trying to reach out to them or something, see if we can hang out again, or at least go out again after PAX tonight. This was a lot of fun. Post PAX, it was a lot of fun. PAX South Day 3. We are sore. We are feeling it today. We went out again last night, so Friday night and last night, Saturday night, we went to Bonham Exchange and danced all in the night. So last night we actually started at this place called Charity Bar, and it was advertised as a PAX after party. We went, and unless you were eating, you were sitting outside, and it got very cold last night, so we decided we were gonna head out. Plus, it didn't seem like it was gonna get as lively as as Bonham Exchange, so we went back to Bonham Exchange because we were wanting to dance. We did that. We danced. We got tired, and then we finished up. I don't know. It's probably like 12:45. We went home a little early last night. Slept for a long time, woke up, got up, I can feel my legs, definitely sore. We're not gonna stay too long at PAX today. If we go and stop by, it might just be for a couple hours at most, just to do a final walkthrough, see if anything else is happening. Next time you see me talking to you, might be on our way out. Hope you enjoy what you're watching, hope you enjoyed this video. See you later. So that's it. We just left the last day of PAX. Stayed until, I think it's 1 o'clock. We have a 9-hour drive ahead of us. 8 hours, probably 9 though, with the stops and stuff that we're making. But it was fun. Got a lot of stuff. Saw a lot of stuff. Played a lot of games. Good first PAX experience. Now we're gonna get in the car and start our travel home.